Weekly report, 37,136 to loss. Gold's turbulence hurts, big events ahead next week. Period July 24 and 25, 2025. This week's performance review. Net result, 37,536 USD. Main cause. Gains from EUR trades were wiped out by a sharp downturn in USD Gold, which delivered heavy losses. The secure profit scenario collapsed, highlighting the ever-present unpredictable volatility risk. Market summary, July 21-26. USD JPY, yen strengthened to 145.86 after Japan's upper house election, then rebounded toward 147 later in the week. EURUSD, supported by optimism around US-EU trade talks and ECB's pause on rate cuts, the euro climbed to 1.1789 at one point. GBP JPY dropped from mid-199 to mid-197 before recovering to 198. CAD JPY slid from low 108s to low 107s, then edged back toward 107.80. AUD JPY broke through 0.66 versus USD, hitting YTD highs and holding firm in the 96 range. ZARIPA, range bound near 8.20. Free still firm versus USD. Key drivers for next week, July 28, AUD 1. Markets brace for high volatility as multiple top-tier events converge. FOMC meeting July 29-30, expected hold, but Powell's tone could tilt sentiment. BOJ meeting July 30-31, hold likely. At any hawkish signal and outlook report or Ueda's remarks could spark yen moves. US data avalanche. JOLTS, ADP, GDP advance, PCE, ISM, NFP huge potential for sharp price swings. USD JPY outlook. Key risk from Japan political uncertainty versus Fed tone. Range watch 146.80, 148.80, spikes possible post-events. EURUSD. ECB paused cuts last week, Lagarde signals wait and see. Potential retest of 1.18 if USD softens on data. GBP JPY. BOE fully priced for 25 BP cut on AUG 7, Bailey remains dovish upside capped. CAD JPY, July 30th BOC meeting, statement tone critical. July 31st GDP, watch for surprises. US-Canada trade friction remains a wild card. AUD GP, focus on July 30 CPI Q2. Weak print locks in August RBA, cut bearish AUD scenario. Strategy summary for next week. USD JPY, prepare for violent swings, tight stop-loss discipline. EURUSD data-driven upside bias if US data disappoints. GBP JPY BOE dovishness caps, gains fade rallies. CAD JPY monitor GDP and trade rhetoric for directional cues. AUD JPY CPI RBA bets BOJ tone triple risk factor. Afterward, the market and the mind. Both need darkness. Thanks for reading this week's report. Recently, I came across research on hair, skin, and nail health, stressing simple fundamentals. Balanced diet, quality sleep, regular care. This made me think about trading. No flashy tricks or extreme leverage foundation matters most. Follow your rules. Practice strict money management. Take breaks when needed. But there's another insight. A 2024 study found people with a strong night sky connectedness index, NSCI score, reported higher happiness and well-being. Stargazing or simply being under the night, sky fosters awe, lowers stress, and improves overall health. Trading immerses us in constant screens and artificial light. Sometimes, a moment in darkness looking at the stars, walking under moonlight, or breathing by a campfire can reset your mental state and sharpen decision-making. There's no magic shortcut to trading success, just as there's no overnight beauty secret. Consistency builds resilience for your portfolio and your mind. So this weekend, try the luxury of darkness. Disconnect, find stillness, and let the stars remind you of perspective. Next week will be volatile FOMC, BOJ, heavy data. Flow but with calm and discipline, we'll navigate it. Wishing you a balanced, focused, and profitable week ahead.